Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best dishwasher bracket kit is probably one of the most important, yet often overlooked, components of a successful dishwasher installation. Ensuring your dishwasher is securely mounted not only prevents damage to the appliance and surrounding cabinetry but also guarantees its smooth operation and longevity, saving you from potential frustration and costly repairs down the line. This video will guide you through everything you need to know about choosing and installing the right kit for your needs. Number 5. Easy 24 Dishwasher Brackets. These brackets are made in the USA from heavy-duty galvanized steel, ensuring lasting durability and reliability. They're designed for easy installation and will securely support your dishwasher. Installation is a breeze, no matter the type of countertop you have. It's designed to work seamlessly with virtually any dishwasher model. This versatile bracket accommodates almost any dishwasher, making it a perfect choice for any kitchen renovation or installation. It simplifies the installation process significantly. You don't need to have the dishwasher on site during installation. This saves you time and effort during the process. These brackets are manufactured right here in the USA from high-quality 22-gauge galvanized steel. You can trust in its superior quality and craftsmanship. Each pack contains a set of sturdy 24-inch brackets, providing reliable support for your dishwasher. They are perfect for both residential and commercial use. What we like. This bracket is made in the USA from high-quality galvanized steel, ensuring durability and a long lifespan. Its easy installation makes it perfect for any DIY enthusiast. If you need a versatile bracket that works with virtually any dishwasher model, this is the one for you. What people say. It is very reasonably priced, arrived quickly and well packaged, is more substantial than I expected, came with excellent instructions, was easy to install with the supplied screws. My dishwasher is solidly in place and runs fine, no vibrations. This easy dishwasher bracket easily solves the problem of stabilizing attaching an older dishwasher to the side cabinet walls when a new quartz countertop has been installed. The bracket even came with easy to install instructions. Number 4. Smart Choice Granite Countertop Dishwasher Kit. Installing your dishwasher just got easier. This kit makes the process simple and mess-free, fitting most dishwasher models. It provides a secure and stable fit for your dishwasher. No more worries about it shifting or wobbling. It's designed to work with a variety of countertop materials, including granite, quartz, acrylic, and other solid surfaces. The kit includes everything you need, 2 brackets and all the necessary hardware for a complete installation. Installation is quick and easy. It's a no glue, no drill, no mess solution, saving you time and effort. Upgrade your kitchen with this simple and effective solution. Enjoy a hassle-free installation and a perfectly fitted dishwasher. What we like. This kit is designed for easy installation without any glue or drilling, making it perfect for those who prefer a clean and simple installation process. It's also safe for use with granite and other solid surface countertops. If you're looking for a hassle-free installation on a granite countertop, this kit is your best bet. What people say. After stripping the underside of caulk, and cleaning the granite with acetone, then alcohol, and waiting for it to dry, I affixed the original under-cabinet brackets to the top of the dishwasher and used this kit per the instructions and problem solved. When you think about the options you have to solve what this product solves, there is nothing better or easier. It is a bit challenging to locate it in just the right place, but take your time, do a dry installation first and it will go okay for you. Number 3. Impresa Dishwasher Bracket Kit. This kit ensures a perfect fit for your dishwasher, providing a secure and stable installation. It's compatible with many Electrolux and Frigidaire models. It's designed to seamlessly integrate with a wide range of Electrolux and Frigidaire dishwashers. Enjoy a perfect fit every time. Made from durable galvanized steel, it's built to withstand daily use and provide long-lasting support for your appliance. They're robust and reliable. This kit includes 2 brackets and 4 screws, offering excellent value and everything you need for a complete installation. It's perfect for various countertop materials. Installation is quick and easy. It's comparable to many OEM parts, making it a straightforward replacement. This kit is compatible with a wide range of models, including Electrolux and Frigidaire. Check the compatibility list to ensure it fits your specific model. Please note, this is an aftermarket product manufactured by Impresa Products. We are not affiliated with Electrolux or Frigidaire. What we like. This bracket is specifically designed to fit many Electrolux and Frigidaire dishwasher models, offering a perfect fit and reliable performance. Made from high-quality galvanized steel, it's built to last. If you own an Electrolux or Frigidaire dishwasher and want a durable, cost-effective solution, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Great simple product for side mounting to wood cabinets if you can't top mount because of your counters. Awesome simple solution and easy to install. The instructions for this are in the description. They do not come with the brackets. In sum, the install was about 5 minutes and I took my time. Essentially you are taking out the top pre-existing screw, replacing that with the bracket and then determine, while in place and the door open, where to screw it into the cabinets. Literally 4 screws and then you are done. 2 of which are already supplied. Used to install a low-end GE dishwasher, the type with a manual lock and dial, under a stone countertop. They are plenty strong to do the job of stabilizing the front of the dishwasher. Come with screws, and nothing else. Number 2. Whirlpool Dishwasher Bracket Kit. Is your dishwasher wobbling or falling off the cabinet? This kit provides a secure and stable mount for your appliance. You'll receive 2 types of brackets and screws in this kit, ensuring a perfect fit for your specific needs. It addresses common problems like damaged brackets, a tilting dishwasher, and door latch failures. It's a simple solution to many problems. This kit is compatible with a wide range of dishwasher models from various brands, including Whirlpool, Kenmore, and KitchenAid. Check the description for a full list. Made from durable, high-quality materials, it's built to last and withstand the weight of your dishwasher. It's rigorously tested to meet OEM standards. Installation is quick and easy, just use a screwdriver. Remember to disconnect power and water before starting. We stand behind our product. Enjoy a 365-day return or exchange guarantee for peace of mind. What we like. This kit boasts wide compatibility with various dishwasher brands, including Whirlpool and KitchenAid. Made from high-quality materials, it's built to withstand the weight of your dishwasher. If you need a reliable replacement part for your Whirlpool or KitchenAid dishwasher, this is an excellent option. What people say. Worked great for my KitchenAid DW and was able to side mount to cabinet. Work well. Easy installing. Just like the OEM parts. Perfect for all solid surface countertops. Number 1. Whirlpool Dishwasher Bracket. Are you tired of a wobbly dishwasher? This replacement bracket is a perfect fit for many major brands. It's easy to install and built to last. It works with a wide range of Whirlpool, KitchenAid, and other dishwashers. Check the description to see if it's compatible with your model. Made from high-quality galvanized steel, it's designed for long-lasting durability. Each bracket is thoroughly inspected before shipping. Installation is a breeze. You can install it yourself in minutes using just a screwdriver and pliers. Save money on expensive service calls. This kit includes 4 brackets and all the necessary screws for a complete and secure installation. You'll get everything you need in one package. Don't let a broken bracket ruin your kitchen. Order your replacement brackets today and get back to enjoying your dishwasher. What we like. This 4-pack of brackets is a perfect replacement for several common part numbers across various brands. The high-quality galvanized steel ensures durability and longevity. If you need a simple and effective replacement for your existing brackets, this is a great choice. What people say. The clips work great. They were cheap enough that I didn't mind having more than I need. The 4-pack 826-9145 undercounter dishwasher upper mounting bracket replacement with screws is an excellent choice for anyone needing to secure their dishwasher. High quality, the brackets are made from durable materials, ensuring long-lasting support for your dishwasher. Complete kit, the inclusion of screws is a thoughtful touch, providing everything you need for installation in one package. Easy installation, the brackets are designed for a straightforward installation process, with clear instructions that make it simple even for those with minimal DIY experience. These appear to be the same ones that was used on my old washer that finally fell out from the original install over 8 years ago. If they last as long as the old ones did, it is well worth the price. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.